Okay, I'm going to try something to keep this book shut. Now I have a roll of elastic and I'm going to hot glue gun this elastic on the back of the book all the way around. I think I'm going to let this be longer than this one. So I think I'm just going to take it like this and then have it so that it will attach with a button on the front, and I'll decorate that. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to hot glue gun this elastic to the front. Okay, it's been a long time since I've used these pieces of fabric, but I salvaged these pieces and I just cut them into small strips and I put them away for one day when I could use them again, and today's the day. So this is some burlap and some lace, and I'm just going to use these pieces of material to decorate the front of my book. So I'm going to glue down this first, and then I'm going to add some decorations to the top. Let's see if our glue is ready here. And we'll glue down the first layer. I think it's quite ready. Let it warm up a little bit longer. We got that on. I'm going to add a little bit more glue here. And then this should be able to shut like this. And this is going to be able to come over here once it dries. Glue one more piece on there, and we should be able to cut our button. Is that big enough? Maybe this one, a little bit bigger. Don't touch the hot glue, that's very hot. Okay, there we have the back decorated, and we have the front decorated, and I think this is ready. Now I can cut a hole in the button, the spot for the button. I'm going to try to make it go right there. If I can just make a hole in there. Cutting without cutting my finger. Oh, come on. Okay, maybe it won't. Okay, so that did not work. I made it a little bit bigger, but it's not staying on. So I'm going to glue another button, one more, on top of that one, and lifting it a little bit higher. Maybe that's what it needs. Place that on there and let it dry. see if that works. I glued on some lacy stuff here, and see if that will work. Okay. And maybe a little bit this way. And now I have a sketchbook. Added some buttons and made a hole. And this is my closure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that, but we'll try it for now. And there we go. There's my Arches homemade watercolor sketchbook.